How to add pages to your Shopify store? Well, this is really easy thing to do. So you have to just go and click on online store here. And once you're here, you will see there's an option to off pages. So here I have made two pages here. This is one of my size chart and this is for my contacts. So let me show you the one of the page I have made and let me show you where I have used my page, right? Then I will show you how you can create it for yourself. So let's say this is one of my product here. Customer can come and view this size chart. So this is a page and it doesn't it just look really good, right? It just got integrated with the page. I mean the home page here, the product page, and it's look really nice. By the way, you can always click and just you can customize it more and more you want. Now let's get back to how we can just create a page here. So once you're in the page section, on the top right you will see this option of add page. For example, here I will just add a page about FAQ, or let's say I will just write here about us, right? And this is a title, this is a content. In the content you can add as many things as you want. You can just add a link, you can add a table, you can add images, videos, and everything, right? So I will just use my content AI, and here I will ask the AI to write about us, and let's see that how it's generated, right? So this is a new feature of Shopify. This is just like a chat GPT, but it helps us to create a lot of things in a written format. Now you can always change the tone and everything, so it's generated, and I'll just go and click on keep. So this is one of the page which I made. You can always change the SEO, right? So I can just go here, change the page title and everything, and how it will look in the Google. So this is everything is fine. This is about us, okay, and here this is the default page, and make sure it is visible. Once everything is done, just go and click on save, right? And this is how it is. Now I will just go to my store editor, right? So you have to go to the theme section, right? And here you have to go to the customize, and in the customize you can add your page wherever you want. For example, let's say this is a, here I will just go and add a, let's say that this is a product, okay, and this is a headline. By the way, you can add your a lot of things here. You can add your pages, images, and a lot of things. So it's completely up to you where you want to add your page. So here I'll just click on add a section, and here I will just go and click on rich text here, and it will be available here. So let's just go back and click on it. Okay, we will just go back here, and in the rich text you can see talk about your brand and everything. So you can just write here everything. You can add your page, share information about you, and in the button, so if somebody clicks on it, so let's say this is a button, paste a link here, so I can just go and select my page here. So this is about us, right? So for if any customer comes on and click on this, they will redirect it to a page, right? So I will just save this up. Now this is my store. I will just come up here and I will just go and click on the label, and this is about us, the page we just made it, right? And this is how you can just make pages in your Shopify store. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.